Right, I'm gonna be opening some battle styles. Let's see what we could do. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. It's so difficult to open! My god! Alright, here we go, man. Mawile, Ramachude, Spirius, Parachu, Shrubberly, Houndour. And it looks like we totally gagasted this time around. I'm gonna be honest. Damn, bro. Here comes another one. Spirius, Pachasu, Cherubi, Minfu, Sikaroba, Mangalini, Ambror. Looks like we got defeated again. Can't believe it. Here's more. Sabalazi, Potloy, Timber, Corfish, Kakaria, Durant. No way! How do I keep getting nothing, dude? Oh my god, this sucks, bro. Come on, there has to be something. Come on, bro. Let's do it this time. Stonehenge, Horsey, Mangalini, Slowpoke, the Formantis, Bronzer. Ugh. Complete shot out of luck today, bro. Oh my god, bro. Come on, bro. Give me some heat. Here's another one. Gotta be something. Horsey, Chimichu, Stonehenge, Mangalini, Slowpoke, Slowbro. Oh god, bro. We got defeated, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you. Here's a final one, bro. Oh, just one pull would be nice, dude. Oh my god, this is bad, bro. Come on, man. Chirachui, Minfilu, Sikaroba, Mr. Mime, Bellsprout, Lickitung. Completely out of fucking shit, dude. I don't believe it, bro. I don't believe it. God, bro. Let me try the other one, bro. Darkness Ablaze. See what we can do here instead. Come on, man. There's gotta be something, huh? Don't do this to me, please, bro. Rigadoki, Wishiwashi, Pansage, Darius, Diglett, Drakavi. Whoa, we'll take it. That's what we're talking about. That's the way to do it. Finally, bro. There it is. Let's see what else we could do. Here's another. Shanat, Lavitar, Grimer, Jaruka, Sentret, Gothorika, and it doesn't look like we have it this time. Oh my god, bro. Here comes another one. Rowlet, Scrowlet, Spinact, Larvesta, Hippopotami, Torchic, completely cucked. Darn it, bro. Final stuff, dude. Let's see. Clink, Skitty, Bansage, Golett, Vanillite, Snubble. Not today, bro. Damn, bro. It was worth a try.